Hey guys, and welcome to, well, the first video of 2017. After taking a 2-week break over Christmas just to hang around with family and friends, we are now into the new year, so let's jump straight back into the airsoft. So let's try and start off with a bang. If you do enjoy this video, don't forget to leave a like and a comment down below. Now, this gameplay was filmed at the Grange in Birmingham. It's an indoor CQB site. It was the first time myself and some members of Cold Spear had played the site. It was just before Christmas, so I apologise if it's a bit Christmas themed, but all the same, I hope you guys enjoy the CQB gameplay.
Check. Yeah. Check. Can you see anything? Okay.
Now, I've had a lot of questions recently on Instagram, YouTube and Facebook about this rifle. Now, this Mark 18 rifle is actually originally my Mark 4 rifle with the Geisley rail, which you have seen in plenty of videos in the past, and I have reviewed it and done a full video showing you guys how to build a similar rifle and all the internal parts and upgrades, which I will leave linked at the end of this video. But for any of you guys who are new to the channel, because we have had a lot of new subscribers recently, this is a Tokyo Marui next generation shock rifle that's had a Spectra MOSFET fitted, which gives it a very snappy and quick trigger response. It's had a tight bore precision barrel fitted, which makes it very accurate. It's had new gears put in, Prometheus gears, which means it's going to have a longer lifespan. It's had a new M100 spring put in to give it a higher FPS, a new recoil spring so it has a bit more recoil to it, and overall it's just been genuinely upgraded. So this is a very good bit of kit. But as I said, if you'd like to find out more information or build one yourself, I will leave the links to that video at the end of this one.
Jake, you up? He's down.
Now, this was the first time playing this site, and I have to say overall it was good fun. The site is laid out well, lots of flanking routes, it's well marshalled, all the players played really well, but there was one particular player which I did have a lot of run-ins with, and you will see here. Now, I've put those hit markers there and I'll probably use them again in the future when I definitely hit a player but they haven't taken that hit.
Yeah. Can we flank this guy?
Now, the main objective of the entire day was to move through the site trying to find objectives. In this case, these were Christmas presents that we had to then take to a certain location. Now, at this point, we are on the first floor. There are 3 floors in the building, and at this stage, we're just basically moving through the building, learning the areas, trying to work routes out, and take out as many enemy players as we possibly can to stop them from getting those objectives.
Yeah, I got him. Jake, is he shooting down there? There's an enemy straight ahead. There, he's down.
Now, what I loved about this site was, whilst there were a lot of bottlenecks that drew players towards each other as you would want, it always felt like there was a flanking route. So if an enemy had you trapped in a location, if you were quick on your feet and knew your way around the site, you could move fast and try and outflank that player.
Clear. Okay, contact. There.
Put it on there until I take them up all downstairs.
It's blue, blue, blue! Blue, 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 clear back.
Now, after moving up onto the second floor and locating some of the objectives and taking them to a drop-off point, we were just now going to try and defend that area by taking out as many enemy players that were still on the second floor as we possibly could.
Go on.
Now, playing a lot of CQB can definitely improve your reaction times and also help decrease the time it takes to aim down sight and lock onto a target.
Nice. Blue, 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 blue. Oh, you're not blue there. Woo! Oh, coming in. I'll let you go first.
Third man walking out.
Thank.
So that about wraps up today's video. If you did enjoy the CQB gameplay and you want to see more from this day, tell me down in the comments below. And of course, if you enjoyed the video, leave a like. But in the meantime, guys, thank you for watching, and I'll see you soon.